Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get special profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So, if you want to stand out in the Pokemon TCG Live Pocket, special profile icons can add a unique flair to your account, showcasing achievement of favorite Pokemon. Here's how you can unlock exclusive profile icons. First, participate in events and challenges. So this is the first way. Join limited time in-game events where special profile icons are often offered as rewards. You can check the event description to confirm the reward list. Also, you can complete challenges or missions that sometimes grant unique icons upon completion. Then, you can progress through the battle pass. So, Pokemon TCG Live Pocket offers profile icons as part of its Battle Pass rewards. Purchase the Premium Battle Pass for access to exclusive icons. You can also earn XP by playing matches, completing quests, or logging in daily to unlock new tiers. Now, you can also earn achievement. In the gameplay milestones, you can unlock icons by reaching specific milestones such as winning a certain number of matches, collecting a specific number of cards, or building themed decks. That is, for example, all fire or water type Pokemon decks. Now, you can also gain icons for achieving high ranks in the ranked matches or tournament play. Also, you can purchase in the shop. This is optional. You can check the in-game store. You can visit the in-game shop to see if exclusive icons are available for purchase. You can use the in-game currency by spending the earned credits or gems to unlock rare and seasonal icons. Now another way is linking external accounts. Pokemon Trainer Club account will contain some special icons that may be unlocked by linking your Pokemon Trainer Club account. Now you can also keep an eye on external promotions such as codes from physical Pokemon TCG products that might unlock exclusive icons. You should also look out for special editions and codes. You can redeem promotional codes by keeping an eye for promo codes distributed during the official Pokemon events or streams. Now, you should also attend live events. You can participate in Pokemon tournaments or virtual events where exclusive icons might be given away. So, unlocking special profile icons in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket requires participation in events, completing achievements, or purchasing from the in-game shop. Stay active and explore all features of the game to build a collection of rare and unique profile icons. So that's how you can get special profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.